This video will illustrate how to find and read freeze frame data. Freeze frame provides a snapshot of the state of your vehicle the instant your check engine light came on. To start, first tap Freeze Frame on the Scan Tool tab. BlueDriver will automatically scan your vehicle for freeze frame data. A list of parameter IDs or PIDs will appear. Alongside each PID will be a description of the parameter as well as the value that the system was reading when your check engine light came on. For example, the engine coolant temp was 109 degrees when the vehicle recorded a P0441 code. You can scroll down to view additional information that may be listed off-screen. You can also search for a specific PID from the top of the list. Note that which parameters are shown will vary by vehicle make and model. Also, if your check engine light is not on, there will be no freeze frame data. Now you're up to speed on freeze frame. If you are having trouble with freeze frame or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry, our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.